ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rajhapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kumshi bintaban kinte karyam ka betten ra jong ki pat ba ka jilla Meghalaya shakiwe pat ki jilla jong ka than shate lamingi but kumjuru hakri India ka fashion entertainment ka sa Pynlong da ka Eastern India Couture Fashion Week. Nakalyang jong ki Nohprah ka fashion entertainment hakising sa jan kala Pynlong ya ka audition na ka benda ki khon samla Kibasyong basa hakani ka jilla Meghalaya, bat hakaju kapor, kila khat sngobha, ikino kibakwa, ban yetre lang, bat kumjuru, ban baiting ka, na kabenta ban Pynlong, yakani ka fashion week, ban kinte yakaryam ka bed tenrai, jong ki pat ba, ka jilla Meghalaya ka job, kila ban telefon ha un number, kandai Hendril, Nohprah, pra not, Hendril, lai not, bat kandai lai, kandai san, iwe pra, San Sao Kandai Lai. Ka Eastern India Couture Fashion Week, ka ba on sa Pynlong da ka fashion entertainment, ha ka katnriw bat ka katnyaw Tarik Nohprah, arhajar arpulai, on sa bishar da ka Pretty Thapa, ha ka audition, bat ki nongi shimbenta ha ka nigasngi ki don, kumba praphongot tam, kata ki kintay bat ki shinrang. Kinong penyai kila pintip ban Pynlong da ka online audition, hado ka khatsan Tarik naiwe, but ya ka online registration link on sa tab ha ka Instagram page ka ba on tip kateng EICFW R Live. Habay kran ba president ya ka fashion entertainment u Rijwal Islam ulaang baka ani ka audition na kabenta ka fashion week ka banlong hau banay Nohprah kalong ban ay minsim bat ban kintiw ya karyam ka bet tenrai jeng gipat ba ka jilla Meghalaya. Di bani syak harbli wan shim bentah le matas miden ke audition di wan shim bentah ka fashion entertainment dance haka jinya ada dia tengah kermen be bangan syak sale tak all ka dia first time jaga pada experience ada bana du nedish mat jangan sa.
Hello guys, welcome to Eastern Couture Fashion Week, and we are very good to be here, and it's going to happen on 16th and 17th of December, so hope you will be part of this fashion week. Thank you very much.
It was really a nice experience, especially for the aspiring models like us. Thank you so much, Eastern India Fashion Week.
Kajeng tuhi ke jang ata ban wan hani ko audition bangi pen iya la kasap ke bangi don kum bangi ki kena samla ladang idon hak ke kasap ladang idon kono kasap ngide ban mi perthai ngide ban pau perthai hawan mangi wan hak ko audition da ka jing tumu ka ba long ka positive impact ma teng yi wan hak audition kuat bancak select nama kan dia ke ba ka kinti nam ta jungi bengen ya chakmat te lingba kan di audition lingba ka jing sha select tharai dan nga sha select kan di audition kan dia ke bangan yo jam kham chakmat ha ka ba kham he shu
Kulai pi baro ka keteng jong khalong ban robam nyang ngayang hang ni bangawan ban le audition na benta kan fashion and entertainment ka bala Pynlong hamenta ka singi ka Nohprah Tarik u Oktober ajar apulai ngawan hakani ka audition khnang bangala ban pen kentiu yala kasap ka phong ka bangadon batru bangan gain ka ta ka confidence ko ba ong ka tin pareng mo baro mo ngi wan hakani ka audition bangi kwa bancak select mo te kumta hinga lu ngawan ka jing thmu ka ba ka ba ngakwa bancak select mo bang yo jam pat cha khmat chu.
Hello everyone, this is my first time coming in Eastern Culture Fashion Week, so I'm hoping my best to win this contest. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hello Meghalaya, I am Rizaul Islam, President of Eastern India Couture Fashion Week. We are organizing this Fashion Week in Shillong on 16th and 17th of December 2023.
Hello everyone, my name is Fazan Solanki. I'm a founder and director of Fashion and Entertainment, and this is our co-team member.
Hello everyone, I am Yulaila Malgyang and the core team member of Fashion and Entertainment. Thank you.
To organize this Fashion Week in Shillong on December, and the main motive of organizing this show is to represent the traditions of Meghalaya, all the three main traditions of Meghalaya, that is Garo, Khasi and Jaintia, to the northeast region as well as the national level. This is the first time we are organizing this show in the Shillong, and we used to organize shows in Guwahati and other parts, but this is the first time we are going to organize this show in the other states. So this is the first state we have taken as a good hope, with good hopes, and let's see what happens. And we are going to today is the audition date for Shillong, obviously, and in Meghalaya. So we are many of the models, you guys have missed the auditions, might be some personal issues or anything, but we are giving you another opportunity to join our team, to join our show. So it's we will share you a link very soon. We'll release a link where you can do the online auditions, you can do the form fill-ups, you can do the online auditions, and accordingly you can do the show.
Hello, I am Preeti. I am former Mega Miss Northeast. I am a social activist, and I have my own society. It's called Sneh Society, and I'm here to judge this event called Eastern India Couture Fashion Week, and I'm really looking forward to it. All these young people are involved in this, and when it comes to fashion industry, I feel Shillong, Meghalaya is growing so much, and if we have more people to support this industry, I think we are there too. It's a good initiative, and I want to tell them all the very best for this show, and looking forward to it. Kublai.
Kublai Shibunya Baro, mga day Kate Lingdo Mauli, and ngade Vice President Joga Fashion and Entertainment. But ngai Kublai namataki ni ki contestant ki balashim bantamo hakani ka fashion show ka jongi. But lingba kani ka fashion show ngi ai latru ya ki kena naka rikasi jongi ka bakin la ban pedi ka sap ledi mo ka opportunity ngai ki ngako ban batai fi kandiat Jepang kani ka fashion show mo ka bangi mut Pynlong ha u benai December u Pynlong ha kata kanrio ba kanyo Tarik u December.
Pertama si bayawan ki participant ki lapoi kuntu hidup utam Dengan si Hashim yang audition pada kita berkelam awan ini audition tasi te kila benda online audition dulu. Dengan saya ke link official, te official laban fill up ke form hantu and then fill up online audition dulu. Dengan saya akan duduk biang pada Desember dulu. Te kan ni ketika first audition, ni along apa Shillong. Te kan next audition dengan saya lihat biang apa Guwahati. Dengan saya lihat biang keleng kiwi Jakarta, kum kan ni ke Nagaland, ni Arunachal Pradesh dulu. Nak tahu kita bala syak select pada dengan saya walam yalam ki mele lang yang kan di ka show.